So this is like this gigantic cube thing, and it's sort of based off of these snake movements, where basically one fan is following the other fan. And so I'm starting here with the fans above me forming this top wall of the cube, and basically one fan is drawing the other fan through the cube. Notice how I have to like turn my whole body around to do this. And also notice how the one fan sort of has to wait its turn before it's folding. So the fan that's following the other fan has to wait before it matches that plane. So this one folds and the other fan has to wait before it also folds. You can switch to the other side. You can go down like this.